Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and we're going to talk about gold again and how I've been trading it this week. Going to show you 3 trades I've taken so far this week, and we're going to start with Monday, okay? So first things first, this is the 30-minute time frame, and we're looking at gold. And first thing I see is the EMAs are bullish right now, and it had crossed over here during the Asian session, and then going into pre-London you can see that it's bullish, right? 8/21. And again, this happened within my trading window, my first trading window for the day, and this was on the 30-minute, and in here you can see the green triangle that's indicating buys. Placed a buy stop about 5 pips above the previous candle and waited to get triggered into the trade. And in this trade you can see it sat through a little bit of drawdown until I hit take profit at 23 pips. Okay, and that was from Monday. Again, and this all comes from ForexWithCody's indicator. Alright, make sure you guys get that. I'm gonna leave a link below in the comments. Check it out. Alright, so let's go into Tuesday. And again, another same time frame, 30-minute. And again, you can see the EMAs crossing below 8/21 again. And we got a red triangle in there indicating sells. So same concept, sell stop 5 pips below the previous candle, and wait to get triggered into the trade. And again, I got triggered into the trade, sat through some drawdown over here, and I'll show you that on the 15-minute over here. So Tuesday's trade, triggered in and then sat through the drawdown, but you can see it's respected the EMAs nicely, rejected the 21 EMA and gave another sell signal, but that one is technically invalid because it did not close further below the previous candle. That's why this trade came off the 30-minute time frame. I'm just showing you guys how I sat through drawdown, trusted the process, and had I held, I would have got full TP. I was targeting a 1 to 2 for this one, but next time it went into profit, I just took the trade off. I took my profit and I was just done for the day. Didn't want to sit through drawdown again. So yeah, that was on Tuesday. That was Tuesday's trade. And now Wednesday, today's trade. Again, sells, and this one came off the hourly time frame. Okay. And for this one, I'll go into replay mode so I can show you guys exactly how I did it. Will it be there? Okay. I'll just play the next candle, right? Right there. Okay, so in this right corner, you can see we got entry, stop loss, TP1 and TP2, right? So that's why I'm saying this came from ForexWithCody's indicator, and you can see it came off the hourly. I got a sell signal right there on the what was that, London open, 3 a.m. Again, so you got the entry over here, and that's what my entry was, 23.13.51. Stop loss was 23.19. Let me put that in here. 23.19.05. Okay. So 50 pips for 50 pips, right? 55 for 55. So let's go to TP1. 23.07.98. Something like that. Okay. All right. Again, so that's how the trade looked originally. As soon as the 3 a.m. candle opened, that's how the trade looked. I went down further and watched it happen on I believe, yeah, the 15-minute, right? So later on, the 15 minutes later after the London open candle, right? The next 15-minute candle, I got another sell signal indicating sells, right? So I use that as my next stop loss. So again, I just lowered my risk in this case, and I kept the same TP technically. But I ended up getting out at this daily low for about 20 pips. But yeah, that's kind of how I managed this trade. Lowered my risk and just used the next signal. It was in here, but it's now gone. But that's how I managed this trade for today. Again, had I held it all the way, I would have got the full 55 pips and would have called it a day. I took about 20 pips today, and I'll show you that in my trading journal. But yeah, I've been keeping track of everything, time frame sessions that I trade, London, pre-London, one New York, only trade gold, and the time frames my trades come off. And then over here on the right side, you can see the results, how many pips I secured, lost, and all that good stuff. And then show you the stats. So far I got 17 wins, 1 break even, and 4 losses, and I'm up 4% on my account. I got to get to 10% to pass this funding challenge that I'm doing. So 6 more to go. But that's it, guys. All right, make sure you check the link below, and as always, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, thank you.